Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Hello to all my subscribers and to all the viewers. So today guys, I'll be making a cover for my hair iron and I will show you guys on how to make it. So please come and join me and let's get started. These are my materials. This is the fabric, this is the string, and I'm gonna use also this safety pin, thread, a needle, and this one for like styling later, and a scissor. So guys, let's get started. This fabric, I'm going to fold it into equal parts like this one, and I'm gonna sew it here and at the bottom here, and also I already marked it here, see, for this, like this. So I'm gonna sew it from here until here. So I'm already done sewing here in this area, and now I'm gonna sew at the bottom. So I measured the length of this hair iron to this fabric, fold it here, just enough for the length of my hair iron. So it's already done. I'll be cutting this excess. So this is just the long fabric, and I sew it from the middle and shrink it like this to make a style from here. Okay, so it's done. Strings are opposite. These are opposite like this. Guys, I sewed this middle part, so now I'm gonna try it. So this is how it looks like. See, I divide it at the center so that this one will be protected, the sole of my hair iron. See? So that's it for now, guys.